Knock, knock!
Who's there?
You!
You who?
You can use humor in your persuasive writing.
Oh dear. Is that meant to be your idea of a hilarious joke?
Not really. I just wanted to point out that humor can be used for good effect in persuasive texts like speeches and reviews.
Maybe you should have said something funny then.
Ah! Now that sounds more like sarcasm. Honestly though, humor, irony, and sarcasm can all be used for persuasive effect. Do you know what the differences are?
Humour is something that's meant to be comical. A joke, or a pun, or an amusing story, anecdote, or observation.
Right! It can lighten the mood. It's especially good at the start of the speech because it puts the audience at ease. Generally, we like people who can make them laugh. We're more open to their ideas, so it's easier for us to agree with their arguments.
Does the humour have to relate to your speech? Or can you just toss in a joke for the sake of it?
It's best if there's a connection. For instance, if you're arguing that we should get rid of school uniforms, you could make a funny observation about how unattractive or uncomfortable they are. But in any case, don't overdo the humor. You don't want it to look like you're not taking the issue seriously.
That makes sense.
Now, what about irony? What's that?
Irony is something you do to get the wrinkles out of your shirty.
Oh gosh, did you just make that up?
Yeah, sorry.
No, irony is saying or doing something that's deliberately opposite from what's expected. For instance, you could say, nice weather we're having on a cold and rainy day.
So irony can also be kind of funny. It can be entertaining and encourage the audience to keep listening or reading.
Yes, but it's not always funny. Say a fire station burns down. That's not funny, but it is ironic. It's the last thing you'd expect. Other examples could be if a police station was robbed or a lifeguard couldn't swim.
And sarcasm?
That's irony being used to make fun of something or someone. For example, you might say, yeah, bullies are really brave. It's sarcastic because everyone knows bullies aren't brave, and no one wants to be like them. But you've got to be careful using sarcasm.
How come?
Sarcasm can backfire. It can make you seem cruel instead of funny, and then the audience might dismiss your point of view. You'd only use it to describe the bad guys.
Oh dear, I take it all back then. I think you're really funny.
Are you being sarcastic now?
Well, you're the one who just taught me about it.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at ClickView.net. Sign up for free today.